Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Infinity English. My name is William, and today we're going to practice English by talking about grocery shopping. This is a beginner-friendly shadowing session, so you can repeat with me slowly anytime you want. You can do this while relaxing, walking, or taking a short break. Don't worry about mistakes. Don't try to be perfect. Just follow my voice and speak with me. Let's begin. Can I ask you something? Can I ask you something? Do you go grocery shopping often? Do you go grocery shopping often? Today we will practice talking about grocery shopping in English. Today we will practice talking about grocery shopping in English. It's a practical topic. It's a practical topic. Talking about grocery shopping helps you speak naturally in English. Talking about grocery shopping helps you speak naturally in English. Before going shopping, I make a list. Before going shopping, I make a list. I check what I need at home. I check what I need at home. I write down vegetables, fruits, and other items. I write down vegetables, fruits, and other items. A list helps me shop quickly. A list helps me shop quickly. When I enter the store, I greet the staff. When I enter the store, I greet the staff. I can say hello, hello, or good morning, good morning. I can ask, where can I find bread? Where can I find bread? I start with vegetables. I start with vegetables. I pick fresh carrots and tomatoes. I pick fresh carrots and tomatoes. I check the lettuce and cucumbers. I check the lettuce and cucumbers. Fresh vegetables are healthy. Fresh vegetables are healthy. Next, I go to fruits. Next, I go to fruits. I pick apples and bananas. I pick apples and bananas. I also get oranges and grapes. I also get oranges and grapes. I enjoy choosing fresh fruits. I enjoy choosing fresh fruits. Sometimes I buy dairy products. Sometimes I buy dairy products. I get milk, cheese, and yogurt. I get milk, cheese, and yogurt. I check the expiration date. I check the expiration date. Fresh dairy products are important. Fresh dairy products are important. I also buy bread and grains. I also buy bread and grains. I pick whole grain bread. I pick whole grain bread. I get rice and pasta. I get rice and pasta. These are important for meals. These are important for meals. Now let's talk about meat and fish. Now let's talk about meat and fish. I pick chicken, beef, or fish. I pick chicken, beef, or fish. I check the freshness. I check the freshness. Fresh meat and fish are important for healthy meals. Fresh meat and fish are important for healthy meals. Sometimes I buy snacks and drinks. Sometimes I buy snacks and drinks. I get cookies or chips. I get cookies or chips. I also pick juice or soda. I also pick juice or soda. It's okay to have small treats. It's okay to have small treats. Let's practice useful phrases. Where's the milk? Where's the milk? I need some bread. I need some bread. How much is this? How much is this? Do you have fresh vegetables? Do you have fresh vegetables? Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card? When I go to the cashier, I pay for my items. When I go to the cashier, I pay for my items. I can say, how much is it? How much is it? I can say, can I pay with cash? Can I pay with cash? I can say, do you accept credit cards?
Do you accept credit cards? Sometimes I need bags for groceries. Sometimes I need bags for groceries. I can say, "Can I have a bag, please?" Can I have a bag, please? I can also bring my own reusable bag. I can also bring my own reusable bag. This is good for the environment. This is good for the environment. Let's practice full sentences. Let's practice full sentences. I need 2 kilos of apples. I need 2 kilos of apples. I would like a loaf of bread. I would like a loaf of bread. Can I get some milk, please? Can I get some milk, please? I want to buy rice and pasta. I want to buy rice and pasta. I need fresh vegetables for dinner. I need fresh vegetables for dinner. Sometimes I ask questions about products. Sometimes I ask questions about products. I can ask, "Is this fresh?" Is this fresh? I can ask, "Do you have this in another size?" Do you have this in another size? I can ask, "Can you help me find this?" Can you help me find this? Let's practice questions again. Let's practice questions again. Do you go grocery shopping every week? Do you go grocery shopping every week? What do you usually buy? What do you usually buy? Do you buy fruits and vegetables? Do you buy fruits and vegetables? Do you pay by cash or card? Do you pay by cash or card? Do you bring your own reusable bag? Do you bring your own reusable bag? Small steps help me shop in English. Small steps help me shop in English. I try to practice phrases every day. I try to practice phrases every day. I feel confident asking for items and prices. I feel confident asking for items and prices. Grocery shopping can be simple and easy if I practice regularly. Grocery shopping can be simple and easy if I practice regularly. Okay, my friends, thank you so much for practicing with me today. You did an amazing job. Talking about grocery shopping is practical and very useful for daily conversation. Shadowing helps you speak fluently, clearly, and confidently. Come back tomorrow. Practice again. Grow again. I'm William, and this is Infinity English. Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep growing. Bye for now.